I bet y'all thought August was gonna end and there was gonna be no check-in. But I told y'all that it was gonna be a monthly thing. Did you doubt me? I don't like that. We gotta work on our relationship, so let's check in. So I know this is only the second check-in, but I want you guys to get used to me asking, how are you doing? And I mean that like for real. This is your safe space, okay? This is where you come and you go, I hate my job, or damn, them kids driving me crazy. I can't wait for face-to-face. You know, like, give me your real answer. Because a close friend of mine asked me today, you know, how are you? And I thought, I mean, do we want it to be that conversation, or are we just looking for something light? You know what I mean? Because do you really want me to tell you how I am? Are you ready for the emotional trauma that I'm about to give you? So, how am I? Oh my god, thank you so much for asking. I'm not okay, y'all. Like, I'm as not okay as I've ever been for a very long time. Like, yo girls, I don't want to say I'm going through it, but I'm going through it. Like, I don't know if it's just being in a pandemic for so long and just all the stress of what's happening in the world and what's happening in Jamaica specifically, or just like regular anxiety. Like, my days are riddled with anxiety. I want to say I'm working on it, but I'm not, because I really don't know where to start. But that's how I am, truthfully. So in the last update, I told you guys that I was working on being consistent, you know, with like other aspects of my life and YouTube. And I don't know if you guys are like up to date with the videos. Whoops. But there was kind of like a little lull period where I didn't like upload any videos, and I guess it's safe to say that consistency is not going so great. Like, I'm recording this video like 2 days before August finish because I just haven't had the time to do it, or the energy, or the mental space, or anything like that. But I told y'all I was gonna, so here I am doing it. And I think that's an important lesson for consistency too, that even if you mess up, like don't just be like, oh, I messed up. Like, you say, alright, oh, me go catch it back. So I'm trying to catch it back, you know, I'm trying to build back momentum. And I think the lack of consistency kind of trickled down into other areas of my life. I miss gym some days, you know, I've been eating poorly. I'm gonna talk louder because my neighbor thinks that it's a great time to play music. I wanted to talk about the reception that I got on the last check-in, you know. Seeing a lot of you guys genuinely answer like, are you okay? Was so nice. Like, you guys just giving general feedback and just sharing comments. I really appreciated it. I think I got more of a reception than I thought I would have, because it was just like a random thing that I wanted to do that my sister had the idea, and I was like, oh, you know, I kind of like that. So I'm really glad that you guys liked it too. The engagement on that video and the videos that I have been uploading have been so much more than before, and you guys know that's something that I have been working on, and I'm just so grateful that, you know, even though I don't have a million trillion views, that like there are people that come and watch my videos and always comment and always leave some suggestions, and you know, like gonna check in, and you know, like, and in the comments for me is like, wanna watch the video, you know, like you never play in the background and you just leave a comment like, wanna watch the video. And I genuinely appreciate that, because I only work for the video, you know. I want to tell you, my like regular 9 to 5 already has stressed me out. So to know that I do this as kind of like a second job, but like something that I genuinely enjoy, and that you guys genuinely enjoy the videos, make me feel nice. I'm not lie. So I need your help. Ready? So here's a challenge. No, I'm not come stressing out on a real work, and I don't like no social house challenge. You're not gonna, you know, coat on them thing there. You're not gonna lift up no pig on them thing there. Well, all you have to do is share your favorite video from me with a friend. That's it. That's it. It's like simple though. You must have a one video make you come back every day and go, that not bad. That girl there, she not bad for watching now. Share it with a one friend. Share it on your timeline. Share it on your story. Share it on your Twitter. You know? Send it in your WhatsApp group. Anything, just share it. Because we're trying to increase viewership this month, yeah? So, I'ma thank y'all in advance for sharing my videos because I'm not gonna help me, right? But don't beggy, you know? You know me don't beggy. If I want thing about me, I'm so beggy. But me I beg you for share the video though. On that note, that's the end of the check-in. So remember, tell me how you're doing. What's your goals for September? How the things you want to tell me when I work on the last time I go. Let me know. Alright, I'll see y'all next month.